Hello, good evening. My name is Chandrasekhar and these are my students, and today they are going to share their daily routine. What is daily routine? Daily routine is an activity that we do usually or almost every day. Like we wake up early in the morning, spend our day, and at night we go to bed and sleep. So these students are learning English. They are just beginner and they are trying to learn how to speak English, and this is a practice session. So they might make mistakes. Just listen to their daily routine and appreciate it if you can. So hello, what's your name?
My name is Vikas Singh.
Hold it and share your daily routine. पकड़िए इसे.
Hello, I am sharing my daily routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Right.
After that, I fresh.
Get fresh.
I get fresh. Then I go to walk. I go to walk in the morning.
Okay.
After that, return
From there.
from there. Then I take tea.
Very good.
And I drink. I take tea. After that, I go to bus stop. Then I take bus, and I reached our college.
Very good.
After that, I
Study there.
I study there, and I
Come back.
come back.
Okay, that is sufficient. Okay. So he is trying to speak. The next candidate, please come here.
Thank you, sir.
Shift your position. You go there. Right.
Thank you, sir, for giving this me opportunity. My name is Siddharth Satyam.
Look there and speak.
Today I am sharing my daily routine. I wake up early at 6 o'clock. After that, I get fresh. Then after I go for morning walk.
Very
After
nice.
coming from morning walk, I prepared my tea. Then I take tea. After that, I study 3 hours from. After that, I prepared my food.
Very
Then I
good.
take this food. After that, I study 2 hours for daily. This is my daily routine. After that, I take a nap of 1 hour. Then after I come for British Institute for taking the English class.
That's
Thank
great.
you, sir.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Rajan Chaurasia. I wake up early in the
I'm sharing my daily routine.
I am sharing my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning because I am habitual of it. Then I go for a walk. After walk, I come home, and after that I prepare tea.
Very good.
Then I take tea. After that I learn 2 hours, or after this I take a nap, and after nap I go for college.
Very good. Give it to him. Keep standing. आप कहीं मत जाइए. Don't go anywhere. Yes.
Good evening. First of all, my name is Saurabh Kumar. I am sharing my daily routine. Then I get up in 6 o'clock. After that, I get fresh.
Okay.
After that, I am going to work and
Walk. I go for a walk.
After that, I'm returning to I buy tea, milk and bread. After that, make a tea and bread. After that, I take a tea and milk. After that, I study in 2 hours approx. After that, I make a food and I eat a food. After that, I take a half an hour nap in a half hour. After that, come in a visit institute in 15.
That's great. Yes, Siddharth.
Hello, I am Adarsh Rajput. Today I am sharing my daily routine. So, firstly, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then after I get a glass of waters, and then I get after it I get a fresh. And then after that I am going for I go for morning walk, and I do exercise for 1 hour, and then then I coming from morning walk, and I prepared my tea, and I take a tea, and
That's great.
then I
That is sufficient.
then I
Give it
pray
to her.
then I pray for God to my wisdoms.
Very nice. Keep standing here. आप यहीं खड़े रहो. You don't have to go anywhere.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sneha Rajput, and today I'm sharing for my daily routine. First of all, I wake up in 6 o'clock, and I get to drink a water. First of all, I get to drink a water,
Okay.
and I get a fresh, and going to morning walk.
I go for a morning walk.
I go for a morning walk.
Okay, that's great. Please go. So these are some of my students who have just started learning here, and I help them practice better English, and I am very sure that within couple of weeks they are going to speak fantastically.